Hi everyone, just wanted to take you through a couple of apps today that I think might be quite useful within lessons across a range of different curriculum areas. Today I'm looking at science and kind of quite broadly photosynthesis. So I've already done a Google search. I'll just open my Chrome browser and I found a YouTube clip on photosynthesis that my class and I will be watching. I've muted it for argument's sake, just so that it's not distracting us, but there is speech that goes along with the video. I'm also just going to show you now on my toolbar. You can see I'm sort of circling around this icon here with the camera and the pen. That allows me to take a screenshot of the screen. I'm also I'm not pausing the video as we go through, simply because if I pause it on this particular video, as you can see now how it's paused, I get this play symbol in the middle of the picture, and I don't want that to happen. So let's play our video. Actually, I'll full screen it, then I'll play it, and when it gets to a part that I want, I'm going to use that camera icon tool. I'm going to then use this option here, the save button, and I'm then going to X out underneath. Okay, when I get to another part of the video that I want, same thing, choose the camera tool, hit save, X out. Oops, except it didn't. There we go. So we'll just pause that because we don't really need any more examples. And I'll just pop back to my home screen. Now, the next app I want to show you is called Lensoo Create. It's sort of a whiteboarding app. It's got some quite cool features. You can see all my little experiments or plays there. I'm going to hit new recording. Now, it might sound strange because you'd think, well, I want a new page or I want a new board. But because this app allows you to do screen recording, which I'll show you shortly, they're called new recordings. So don't be put off by that. Now up here, if I hit on the paint bucket, it allows me to put on a background color or a background board. So for argument's sake today, I'm going to choose a lovely lined paper. But then this is the tool I want to show you here. It's the ability to add a still photo, or if I hit on the camera there, because I have my webcam plugged in, it would show you a lovely picture of me, and we don't want that today, so we're going to click on images. You can see that I can pull images from a range of places. I've got images selected here. I could also grab from my drive, or if I've downloaded any images to my computer, you can see I've taken quite a few photos here. So when I get one that I might want to use, I'm going to click on it. Let's say I want this one. It pops it in. Because I took it as a full screen image, it's gone full screen. So all I'm going to do is with two fingers, I'm going to pinch and zoom that to get it to the size that I want. And if I want to, I can rotate it down here. There's a little arrow that I'm clicking on down at the bottom of the screen there. I'll pull it over here, tap away, then I'm going to choose my pen. Now I've got all sorts of different pens here. I better choose a brightly coloured one to draw my little arrow with. I have no idea what I'm putting in here, so I'm just going to call that something. We're just going to be writing notes or labels or something like that. And up the top now, up here, I am going to hit on that recording button, and now everything I do from now on is going to be recorded on the screen. So if I do some more notes like so, then I can hit stop. So touching the recording option up there stops it. I've got a little play button here that I'm going to push and just watch that screen recording. Now, because I'm already doing a screen recording, I'm already using the microphone for that. If I wasn't, you would also, you'd also be able to hear my voice. So if you have a microphone plugged into your Active Connect G, you'll also get a voice recording happening with that screen recording. But because I'm already using the microphone for this to record this video, it didn't record both things, which is fair enough. So I like the Lensoo Create app. You can see you've got various tools that you can add, text, and you can start adding more notes and so on. So it's a pretty useful, easy little tool, and hopefully you can see yet another use for your screen capture tool there.